Bonjour and welcome to Airly 5 Travels. If you're dreaming of a trip to Paris or planning your itinerary, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the 20 best places to visit in Paris, the City of Light. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, let's explore one of the most beautiful cities in the world. 1. Eiffel Tower. No visit to Paris is complete without seeing the Eiffel Tower. Whether you admire it from below or take the elevator to the top, it offers stunning views of the city. 2. Louvre Museum. Home to the Mona Lisa and thousands of other masterpieces, the Louvre is the world's largest art museum, a must-visit for culture lovers. 3. Notre Dame Cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece may be under renovation, but its exterior and historical significance are still awe-inspiring. 4. Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Perched on Montmartre Hill, Sacré-Cœur offers one of the best panoramic views of Paris. 5. Champs-Élysées stroll along this famous avenue lined with shops, cafes, and landmarks, all the way to the Arc de Triomphe. 6th Arc de Triomphe. Standing proudly at the end of the Champs-Élysées, it honors those who fought and died for France, and yes, you can climb to the top. 7. Seine River cruise. Hop on a riverboat and enjoy a relaxing cruise, especially magical at night when the city is lit up. 8. Palace of Versailles. Just outside of Paris, this opulent palace is a symbol of royal luxury and French history. 9. Sainte-Chapelle. This hidden gem is known for its jaw-dropping stained glass windows, truly one of Paris's best-kept secrets. 10. Luxembourg Gardens. Relax like a local in these beautiful gardens, perfect for a picnic or a peaceful walk. 11th. Montmartre. This artistic neighborhood was once home to Picasso and Van Gogh. Don't miss Place du Tertre and its charming cafes. 12th. Musée d'Orsay. Housed in a former train station, this museum holds an incredible collection of Impressionist art. 13. Latin Quarter. Lively, youthful, and full of history, explore narrow streets, bookshops, and the famous Sorbonne University. 14th. Pantheon, located in the Latin Quarter. This grand building is the final resting place of great French thinkers like Voltaire and Marie Curie. 15. Moulin Rouge. Catch a classic Parisian cabaret show at this world-famous venue. It's an unforgettable experience. 16th Opera Garnier. Step into the luxury of this historic opera house, which inspired the Phantom of the Opera. 17th. Place de la Concorde. One of the largest squares in Paris, with fountains, statues, and views stretching toward the Champs-Élysées. 18. Le Marais trendy. Historic and vibrant, Le Marais is perfect for boutique shopping, museums, and fantastic food. 19th. Galleries, Lafayette. Not just a shopping center, its stunning glass dome and rooftop view make it a top Paris attraction. 20. Catacombs of Paris. For something mysterious and a bit eerie, descend into the underground tunnels holding centuries-old bones. Paris is a city full of wonder around every corner. Which of these places would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides from Airly 5 Travel.